The Harvey boy came to the door last summer and wanted to, said he'd been picking blackberries and wanted to know if I didn't want blackberries. I said, well, no, I really didn't need them, and I had some. How much were they a gallon? He said $9. You know, I guess that's not outlandish. But from the time when we were raised, $1 a gallon was a good price. And that was a lot of, just about, I guess, the 10% raise that everything went whiz toward. Now then.
Looks like a little dove out there.
Something scared him.
There's a little dove, or
oh, Flood's dog.
No, it's what kind of bird is this? Is that a quail?
Huh?
I don't know what kind of bird that is. That little, it looks like a little dove. That's what it looks like.
It's a ground dove. We've never had them here before. We have just ours, the old turtle dove, and then we have the ringneck dove. They're beautiful birds. And that's Susan. Lawrence said that they're nesting in the front maple tree. But they don't coo like the turtle dove, like our doves do. But they're both neat tree nesters, if you call what they fix a nest. And there's the little one that eats down on the ground there that's brown. I don't see it. It's right back of the pole.
There's a couple in the tree.
Doves?
Uh-huh.
Now look and see if that isn't a ground dove. Look at the markings and see if you can't see that